Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 13, communication. I have already discussed about the meaning of communication and types of communication, right? In the types of communication, we have also studied about the different means of communication which are used for personal as well as for mass communication, right? So today we are going to discuss about communication in India. All of you come to the page number 123 and be ready with pencil. As you can see in this video, I have marked certain portion in the textbook. All of you do so. So let's start. India has all the modern means of communication. Even some of the remote corners of the country have access to many modern means of communication, such as mobile phones, email and satellite network. It means in the towns as well as in the villages, mobile phone, email and satellite network are quite common nowadays. Okay. Indian Postal Service is operated by the Indian government. It is one of the largest postal services in the world. Underline these two sentences. It's very important for your objective question. It has the second largest number of post offices in the world. In India, we have 6 digits postal index number. Postal index number, in short, it is known as PIN. P-I-N. Okay. Each and every country in the world have different postal index number. Okay, through which we can send messages and can identify those country very easily. Urgent messages can be sent through telegrams or courier service. Previously we used telegrams, but nowadays or at present we use quite frequently courier service. Okay. Now all of you start your bracket from the courier service that is run by Indian Postal Department is called Speed Post. The telephone network is also highly developed. Almost all the towns and most villages are connected by telephone.